welcome to Myra's Vlogs. This is Myra, and thank you for coming back and staying with me and enjoying your time or sparing your time watching me while doing this. And if you are new here, take your time, enjoy, and have fun. Don't forget to connect with me in the end, okay? Thank you. And today I did I didn't finish my cleaning because I get tired. So I decided I want to go thrifting. So you know I like thrifting and save money so I can buy more plants. Yeah, anything I can save money so I can buy more plants, I'll do it. So I went thrifting today and I'm gonna show you. Let's do a unbagging of what I bought today. Not much, but at least I save money. So in this bag, I think I spent $10. But if you are going to buy a brand new stuff, it's probably it's gonna cost you more than $10. So thrifting is a good way to save money. So I'll show you what I got. I got this items. This is a candle holder. So I have a purpose of what to do with this. I'm going to put some kind of like a vase in here, and I'm going to put my my air plants, or I have something I'll show you. So I'm back. So this is the idea I'm thinking to put my air plants. So it goes like this. So it's 6. So I think I have 7. So I'm sorry for the other one. So this is gonna be like this for now. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Yeah. Oh, I have another one. So and this one is another stand. Oh, I can put another air plant in here. I have one more that I can stick, so I can put it like this. How about that? Isn't this cute? This is $1.20. So it will goes like this. It's pretty. So that's what I got from my thrifting. And let me see. So no, I did say wrong. I did say $10, but actually I only spent $6 for all the stuff that I did bought. So sorry guys, wrong info. So a total of $6 only. And I got me more baths. Oh, not baths, pots for my plants. So this is 60 cents. And this one is very pretty. See, this is 90 cents. And for some reason, I don't know why they are the same, but they're priced different. So this is $1.20. So yeah, those are the stuff that I got for thrifting. Oops, sorry. And they are really nice. And I did save money, but on top of saving money, my humidifier for my plants broke. I've been trying to make it work, but it's not working. Every time I turn it on, it will work for a little bit and then it will stop. So this is my old humidifier. It's not very expensive. So this is my humidifier that I've been using. And I have this for a while. It's probably for how many years. And I guess maybe that's the reason why it's broken, because I've been using it for a long time. So yeah, it doesn't work anymore. So I had to buy a new one. So let's check the new one that I bought. I bought this one. This is the humidifier that I bought today. It's Comfort Zone digital ultrasonic humidifier with aromatherapy. This uses ultrasonic technology to add soothing moisture to dry air. So it has like, you can able to see the temp in here, because it will show how much it humidifies the air, how much air humidifies your room. So it's digital, so it controls the humidity. So I got this for, it was $39, but when I was checking out, it says $33. So let's open it. This is the box. I'm going to open it. So this can run for 48 hours. And it has the capacity of 3.7 liters of water. And you can actually set a timer. Yeah, you can set a timer for it's electronic control with 8-hour timer. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it. And this one doesn't need filter, so that's a good thing. The one that I was eyeing is like $80 something, but I needed a new filter from time to time, so I don't want that. So right now this will work. So till I'm financially stable, I can spend $80. So let's see. So what is that noise? Oh, so this is what it looks like. It's not pretty big, but, and this is like the controller. So yeah, so that's what I got into today. So it looks like there's a, oh, it looks like there's a filter there, but it says I don't need to use filter. It looks like there's like some kind of pebbles inside. So let's see how this thing works. I will update you guys. We'll probably do a video separate with this one, so I can show you how exactly this works. It's actually cheaper, not that expensive. So let's hope this works. And maybe once I find out that it works good, I can do a reviews about this, and so you guys can try it yourself too. So that's it. That's my little quick thrifting haul and my little update with my new humidifier, because my old one is broken and I cannot risk not to have my humidifier because the air is so dry right now, and I don't want my plants to die. So thank you guys for watching, and I am so glad you're here with me again, and stay tuned with me all the time, and keep watching my videos, and thumbs up, comments, and give me more likes and comments all the time. I appreciate all the comments, and I appreciate all you guys watching my videos all the time. Thank you, and have a nice day. Don't forget to connect with me. Bye everyone.